Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I'm going to do is we're going to continue on with day number 6, right? Day number 6 of, let's jump over here to my YouTube channel. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, 4, and 5. We are on day number 6, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to pick up where we left off. We're going to show the results of Clickbank. We're going to show the results of our Warrior Plus because we sent off 2 different offers. We're going to check the stats of the My Lead Gen Secret platform, right? So as you know, in this video, what I've been doing, or in this series of videos, what I've been doing is showing you how you can start making money online today for as little as $30 a month using the free affiliate networks, Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Digistore, and Amazon, which is a little sneaky way that you can make some money on Amazon by using affiliate links from your, you would create an affiliate account, you would write an email promoting a product. When the person clicks through, they would be cookie to you. Once they get to Amazon, it's like a free-for-all, right? Your mind goes crazy, you want to buy everything. And if they happen to buy, you can get a commission that way. Because remember, when you buy something through Amazon, you're cookied, right, for a while. No matter what they purchase, even the product that you promoted, you know, they don't have to buy that. They can just go to their, I don't want to watch, but I want a computer. Now your commission just got bigger. Why? Because they're cookie to you for X amount of days. I can't remember how many days, but it's a tactic. Why don't you try it, right? Make a video about it. Now you'll have content for your channel, right? I just gave you an idea. But anyway, maybe we'll do that in some future video. But anyway, in this video, what we want to do is we want to talk about how you can do that using My Lead Gen Secret, $30 a month, and those free affiliate networks. So your budget will go no higher than $30. And as long as you stay consistent, as long as you do it for a period of at least 90 days, I would say longer, because actually you'll be practicing doing email marketing. You will be building up your skills. You'll be learning subject lines. You will be learning bodies. You'll be looking at the stats. You'll actually be becoming a product and getting a skill set that you can't normally get. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to jump in Clickbank, Warrior Plus, My Lead Gen Secret, check all the stats. But where I want to start at first is a clip from my Facebook group, the My Lead Gen Secret Facebook group that I'm in. And for whatever reason, they deleted the comment out of here, and I'll blur out the name. But I want to read the post. And it says, "Oh my goodness, in total shock here. Okay, here it goes. I can barely think straight. A number of people here, 4 different members, have posted over the past few weeks that they've promoted a certain Clickbank product, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and have gotten sales with upgrades. In fact, I just had a convo with S.Dean Whitfield, that's me, yesterday about this on this recent post, right? So anyway, just yesterday, I changed my main offer to the My Lead Gen Secret leads using the MLGS mailer to this Clickbank offer to test it out myself. I've been getting referrals from my main offer, but no one has upgraded. And so I figured I'd test this for a week. By the way, I used the PS section to promote MLGS itself, which works because I've gotten MLGS sales. Anyway, I just refreshed my stats, which are usually 0, and to my shock, I saw 1 sale and 2 upsells for a grand total of $121.94. So this was a post that was in Facebook that, you know how you get notified, and I'll show you. You know how you get notified. See, over here, you get notified of posts and everything like that. So that's what happened. And then I went back to the group because I was going to make a video, but they deleted it. I'm not sure why. I don't really care because I got a copy and all I did was show everybody that what we're doing is working. So if you're interested in giving it a try, use the link in the description box below. So anyway, let's jump into it and start looking at our stats for today. So like I said, My Lead Gen Secret, you get 100 to 200 leads a day, $30 a month. That'll be your budget. You use the free opportunities and promote to your list that you get. So let's log in real quick. Now here's the back office. Here's the email we sent yesterday. The numbers are terrible. I don't like them. Let's go over to the stats and take another look. The 13th, today's the 14th. This is from the 13th. Here's the email we sent. This was for that Warrior Plus opportunity, which was Bitcoin, you know? And down in the subject line, I had a $100 commission program. I don't like it. We only got 72 clicks and it's doing terrible. As you can see, I had some real losers in here. What I do want to show you though is this. Email every day. Why? Because even this email on the 7th, right? If I go and check the clicks, the last time somebody clicked on it was on the 14th, right? So that's 7 days ago. People are still clicking on your emails. That's why it's good just to email every day, because these emails are constantly going out and you don't want to really skip a day, right? It increases your exposures to whatever you're offering, right? So anyway, that's just a little side note. And we can even go, let's go to the 9th, right? That's the day we got to hit the lottery on that one offer. Look it, people are still clicking on that offer from, what was it? Did I say the 9th? It's the 14th. They're still clicking on it. So I just want you to see that here, right? So that's our stats. Now let's jump over to Warrior Plus, log in, and then yesterday we sent that Crypto Pays affiliate offer about crypto and Bitcoin and everything like that. Check yesterday's video for it. It's this offer here, which is still number 2 by Billion Dollar Virgin. And let's go up here and check the stats. We had 25 hops in this, and let's see where the hops came from. They came from our MLGS 1213 email, 25 hops. Now, if we go back to the stats here, we can see that it records 72. So immediately we know there's a discrepancy between the tracking in My Lead Gen Secret and Warrior Plus. But like I said, we're only using this to give us a kind of a guideline of how many opens and if our email subject line and the clicks in our email body and everything gets clicks and if it's working, right? It's just a guideline. It's not accurate, right? So as long as we remember that. So that's the Warrior Plus thing. Now we're going to jump over to Clickbank and we're going to log in here. Let me do this because my screen is probably going to cut some stuff off. So I'll do this. We'll go here. We'll enlarge the screen a little bit so we can see. We're going to log in. There's my account. All right. So still, we only have the total of $155.32. We got that on the 9th. Still good. Nothing's changed there. Let's go to the reporting so we can look at the stats here. I mean, of course, it looks like we almost hit 100 hops, right? Barely. Here in total, since we emailed it out back on the 9th, we have 345 hops. Now, think about that. From the 9th, we still are getting hops, you know, because those emails are still going out and they're still being clicked on. That's the importance of emailing every day. The other day, 2 days ago, we did the Click to Wealth offer. That one has 131 clicks and no sales. So it's being clicked on, but nobody's buying, right? So that's the stats of the Clickbank, and I'm going to minimize this, and we're going to choose our next offer. So let's go back to My Lead Gen Secret, and I can close this Warrior Plus because we're not doing Warrior Plus today. This is a different offer that you can throw in. Lead Lightning, one-time $7 purchase. Okay, so here, let's go to mailing system, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a email, but I have a swipe that I'm going to use, and it's called copy. It's here. Copy and paste for 600 a week. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to Control V. I'm just going to put that there because I already know what swipe I'm using, right? And I really don't care, but I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So now we're going to copy the body. It's a short email, straight and to the point. Control C and Control V. And then I'm not going to put no fluff in it, but look, it says copy and paste for an extra 600 a week. That's enticing, right? I'm going to enlarge this and to either 6 to 18, right? And then I'm going to put my name, S.Dean. And now we're going to go grab our offer from Clickbank here. Now, like I said, in Clickbank, you go get your offers from the marketplace and eBiz and marketing. You could do other things too if you want to, but I'm focused on make money online opportunities. You do Gravity. And I'm going to do this offer again, and I'm just going to hit promote. And then this screen pops up, and I'm going to put MLGS, right? My Lead Gen Secret, generate hop links. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come back over here to my emailer, and I'm going to put here, click here to apply, right there, put that here. Yep. and hit OK. Also, copy and paste for extra $600. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the PS line to this particular offer right here. This is a one-time $7 purchase. You can make $6 commissions, right? So I'm going to use this here, this opportunity here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my PS line. Instead of saying $600 a week, I'm going to say, watch this. Want to make unlimited $6 commissions. Click here. And then I'm just going to come here and I'm going to grab my URL and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to take this and I'm going to highlight just to click here. Put that here and Control V. Yep. New. Okay. Boom. So that's that. Bold this because I like bringing attention to these things. You know, you want to see, you want to look. Copy and paste. I'll just make this bolded because that's what it is. All you have to do is copy and paste. It's that simple to make money with this new system. Click here, right, to apply. That's the button. And then I have here my PS line. Click here to make unlimited $6 commissions. That's separately $6 commissions, right? We're trying different things. I'm not scared to try stuff. So anyway, that's what we do. Now I'm going to select the number of leads again, which is 65,700. We already have our links here. I'm going to hit preview so we can look at the email. It's short and sweet. Copy and paste for extra $600 a week. All you have to do is copy and paste. It's that simple to make money with this new system. Here's the system here. And here's my $6 offer here. I don't have a problem with that. I hover over it, check my links, it's good. Hover over that, I'm looking at my links and that's good. And I hit close. Now what I need to make sure I do today, what I noticed I didn't do yesterday, and I'll show you, I want to make sure I hit perfect timing here. And we already got everything else selected here. So I'm going to hit the send email button. Now it's a short and sweet email, right? Let's make this queue to make sure it sends. And there it is. 23 hours from now, I can send out another one. But I want to show you something real quick on my stats page. Here's the email from yesterday. Don't you know I didn't select perfect timing? I wonder if that has to do anything to do with these terrible numbers. It's just something that I noticed as I was looking at it. But anyway, that's all we got for today. I just wanted to show you that you can email every day just as fast as I'm doing. That's all it takes. And all you have to spend is a one-time $30 a month. And you can get started in affiliate marketing. You don't have to have an autoresponder. You don't have to have a website. You don't have to have a list. All of that is provided for you for $30 a month. And using the free affiliate networks, you can be in the online affiliate marketing business, the space, right? But anyway, that's all that I got. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment box below. If you got any questions about any other kind of opportunities, any comments, drop them in the box below. If you got any ideas that you want to see, hit me up. It's all about content on this channel. And I challenge you again. Why don't you do this same thing, right? And you can create content for your channel and make money online by going through the steps over a course of 90 days. Think about that. 90 days, you can make one video a day and really grow your channel, right? But anyway, that's all that I got. All the links are in the box below. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'm out.